Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sajith Varghese, consultant physician in Pushpagiri Medical College Hospital, Thiruvalla, Kerala. I am here to share with you some insights on arthritis. Arthro means joint and itis means inflammation. So, arthralgia, that means joint pain, when it combines with swelling and inflammation, we call the term as arthritis. As you might know, there are different types of arthritis. More than 100 types are known. Most commonly, we encounter rheumatoid arthritis, we see osteoarthritis, septic arthritis, gout, and so on. Arthritis can affect any of the population, elderly, adults, or children. And if we don't treat arthritis, what would happen? We would suffer with chronic or permanent disability, physical inactivity, muscle pain, or chronic pain, and muscle damage also. October 12th is observed the world over as the World Arthritis Day. Why? To increase the awareness for rheumatic and musculoskeletal diseases. So let us take a scientific resolve. No more self-medication for joint pain. Consult your physician or orthopedician before it is too late. Let me make the point. Do not neglect your joint. Thank you.